Insurance policy safeguards the financial interest of your family. Whole life insurance remains in force for the entire life of the insured individual. It provides a death benefit to the beneficiaries named in the policy upon the death of the insured. Let us review a whole life policy from LIC called Jeevan Utsav. In this video, let us review LIC Jeevan Utsav policy in terms of benefits and decide whether investing in LIC Jeevan Utsav is a good option for your investment and life cover. Let's get started. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. LIC Jeevan Utsav is a non-linked, non-participating individual savings whole life insurance plan. The main features are whole life insurance with limited premium payment. Two options are available. Option 1, regular income benefit. Option 2, flexi income benefit. Premium paying term ranges from 5 years to 16 years. Guaranteed additions throughout premium paying term. Next, we shall look at the benefits under LIC Jeevan Utsav. Death benefit. Sum assured on death along with accrued guaranteed addition shall be payable, where sum assured on death is defined as higher of basic sum assured or 7 times the annualized premium or 105% of total premiums paid. Next, survival benefit. Under both option, you get a regular income which is equal to 10% of basic sum assured. It starts based on your premium paying term. Under option 1, regular income benefit, you cannot defer it, but under option 2, flexi income benefit, you have the flexibility to defer and accumulate such flexi income benefits. Next, maturity benefit is not available under this plan. Guaranteed addition, it shall accrue at rate of rupees 40 per thousand sum basic sum assured at the end of each policy year during the premium paying term. Next, we shall discuss the advantages and disadvantages of LIC Jeevan Utsav. Advantages: option to enhance coverage by opting for riders, option to take death benefit in installments instead of lump sum amount, take as of liquidity needs through loan facility, the benefit of an attractive high sum assured rebate. All the benefits under the policy are guaranteed. Disadvantages: though the survival benefit is guaranteed, you get a flat amount throughout your lifetime. There is no maturity benefit under the policy. The guaranteed additions are payable with the death benefit and not with the survival benefit. Next, our main agenda of this review is to calculate the benefits you get from LIC Jeevan Utsav policy in terms of percentage. Life cover and survival benefit till your lifetime is a specialty of LIC Jeevan Utsav. Let us calculate the internal rate of return of LIC Jeevan Utsav by taking a quote from the portal. A 35-year-old male buys LIC Jeevan Utsav for a sum assured of rupees 10 lakhs. The premium paying term is 15 years and the policy term is 65 years. He pays an annualized premium of rupees 64,500. Since it is a whole life policy, we have assumed a life expectancy of 85 years of age. He receives a survival benefit of rupees 1 lakh till his lifetime, and after his lifetime, the death benefit is paid to the nominee. The IRR calculation results in 5.65% for the survival benefit and death benefit under LIC Jeevan Utsav. This is a whole life policy, so obviously the death benefit goes into the hands of nominee. The policyholder just enjoys a survival benefit as long as he survives. For a long-term policy, the IRR should be higher than the inflation rate. Here in LIC Jeevan Utsav, the IRR is lower than inflation. Also, the survival benefit is not increasing. That is, there is no step-up income option to cope up with the inflation. Catering the regular income needs is not beneficial to investor unless it is adjusted to inflation. In order to get regular cash flow, you can invest in better yielding instruments and accumulate the required corpus. Let us assume the same premium paid under LIC Jeevan Utsav illustration is invested in a better yielding option and try to figure out the returns for the same. A pure term policy for a sum assured of rupees 10 lakhs would cost rupees 15,600. The policy term is 35 years and the premium paying term is 10 years. In the earlier illustration, the premium paying term is 15 years. So, in the initial 10 years, the pure term insurance premium is paid first and the balance is invested. In the next 5 years, the full amount is available for investment. Select an appropriate investment avenue for wealth accumulation. Both equity and debt avenues are shown here for illustrative purpose. The accumulated corpus during the first 15-year period is later utilized for regular annual cash flow, which is similar to survival benefit under LIC Jeevan Utsav. Under the PPF account, that is debt instrument, the accumulated corpus is 14.22 lakhs. This amount is invested in a 7% return instrument to withdraw annually rupees 1 lakh. And finally, at the age of 85 years, the investment is fully withdrawn to match the death benefit. The IRR calculation for this scenario results in 6.24%. Under ELSS fund, which is an equity instrument, the pre-tax corpus value is 21.52 lakhs and the post-tax value is 20.28 lakhs. This amount is invested in a 7% return instrument to withdraw annually rupees 1 lakh, and finally at the age of 85 years the investment is fully withdrawn to match the death benefit. The IRR calculation for this scenario results in 7.53%. This IRR analysis deposits that a whole life policy is not an appropriate investment avenue for fetching regular income. There are better alternate options where you can accumulate the required corpus and invest it as per your wish. In the rising rate scenario, you have the opportunity to switch your investment. In LIC Jeevan Utsav, your funds get locked and you are supposed to receive the standard survival benefit. Here is our final verdict on LIC Jeevan Utsav. It provides coverage for the entirety of the policyholder's life, and the death benefit acts as a legacy to the nominee. A portion of your premium is invested to accumulate corpus. Later, it is paid as survival benefit throughout your lifetime. All the benefits are guaranteed under LIC Jeevan Utsav. But when we worked out the rate of return, it was not beneficial to an investor in the long run. The main reason for this low return is insurance and investments are clubbed. Alternatively, a corpus accumulated through a diversified investment portfolio will fetch you regular cash flow. Also, life cover is necessary until your working years. Beyond that period, your retirement corpus will take care of you. Have adequate life cover till your retirement. Choosing between investment products depends on your individual financial situation, long-term goals, and risk tolerance. Consult with a financial advisor to determine if an investment product aligns with your needs and objectives. A detailed review of LIC Jeevan Utsav is available as a blog post in our website, and the link is given in the description. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming Enlightening Investment Webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Also, share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.